Well, the whole family is moving to Wilson Creek today. I have baby Hazel right next to me in this car seat. Laurel's got all three of the other kids in the Yukon, a bunch of stuff. I have a trailer behind me, which you can't even see because there's stuff in the back seat full. This is actually probably my fourth trip of stuff out. We've become hoarder people, I think. But yeah, should be interesting. Hopefully baby does okay on such a long drive. We will see. Paul is driving the tractor and towing the sprayer behind him. I'm pulling up here to check the sprayer, make sure that it's working correctly. I'm on the new UTV that I got. It's been delivered and it's very, very useful. Little diesel UTV. In this video I'm going to be going in and showing a number of videos I made of the seller showing me how to peg calves and saving it here for future sake so I know what to do. Here in this video I'm showing that I missed the manger, the trough, with the feed wagon a little bit. So I'm just going to have the pitchfork back in. And here we're at feeding straw to the cows and calves on the upper pasture near the houses. You can see they're very happy to have the straw today, so we probably should feed them a little more hay in the future. And here's me driving the feed wagon tractor and checking and seeing how I did at getting feed into the trough. Did a little better this time. See the calves, ruling calves are super happy about this and they're feasting away. Wayne's getting them fattened up for sale in a couple of weeks. We'll start taking them to sale. Here is the feed wagon. I'm standing inside of it and checking it out, making sure we have enough. And here's Wayne. He's going in to tag a newborn calf. Often these mothers can get a little upset when he gets too close. so I have reference for how to. Get you. Uh-oh. 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 Oh, uh-oh. You okay? You gotta look where you step, buddy, or you fall. You okay? Let me see. That pouty face. Show me the pout. Show me your best pout, kitty baby. Best pout. Oh, where's the pout? Can't see it. Show me the explosion, Griffin. Whoa! Explosion! Pretty cool. Jeff?
Like when you got just a little pile like that,
Yeah.
you should be able to see that with the mirror.
Oh, a mirror up into the feed wagon? I thought you were talking about the mirror to the unloader. So the reason you spray is the alfalfa is full of weeds. Everything here green, these are all weeds. And the field is full of weeds, and the weeds will grow faster early in the season than the alfalfa. Then the alfalfa grows up and takes over. Paul is spraying this field now. This is the Wilson Creek circle, the one closest to the town of Wilson Creek. And I'm going to follow him and check to make sure all the nozzles work.